The academic year 2023-2024 is here, and we are delighted to begin a new chapter. On behalf of our esteemed institution, I want to extend a warm welcome to each and every one of you in our Louisian community. It is with great excitement that we embark on this journey together, filled with endless opportunities for growth and for learning. As we gathered here today, let us reflect on the challenges we have faced and the resilience we have displayed throughout the past year. Despite the challenges, we have emerged stronger, united, and determined to pursue academic excellence. This year, we have some amazing opportunities lined up for you to grow, to learn, and to make lasting memories. Our dedicated faculty and staff, equipped with upskilled competencies, are committed to providing you with a supportive environment and exceptional educational experiences. With our upgraded facilities, such as the installation of modern calling systems at our Good Shepherd Chapel and the One Basic Education classrooms, the university ensures an optimal environmental condition and provides a conducive atmosphere for everyone, fortifying our quality of education. We encourage you to embrace the challenges, explore new horizons, and make the most of the resources available to you as the university continuously implements improvements both in its tangible and intangible assets. Remember, this is your time to shine, and we believe in your potential to achieve greatness. Together, let us embrace this new chapter in our academic journey and strive to achieve excellence in all endeavors. Whether you are returning students or new faces on campus, we want you to know that we are here to support, we are here to guide you every step of the way. We wish you a successful and fulfilling year ahead, Louisians. Welcome to the University of St. Louis.